to assemble the shoulder yaw joint, which is the one which goes that way. It's held in place by one of the motors, and to give a bit of a spare cable so you can disassemble it, well, the wires are wrapped around the motor. So there's an aluminium motor clamp in here, there's a needle roller bearing there, and then there's the crossbar, a series elastic actuator mechanism, and that's the carriage. Spring is underneath and it's slightly preloaded, which makes things interesting. So motor wraps up, and be careful not to get any wires caught in here. And what you'll find is it won't go there. So you take a flat blade screwdriver, put it in there, again, check the wires are not snagged. And you want to push down on here and lift up on here, because that will push the shaft and engage in this outer bearing properly. Okay. There we go.